Hello, sir.
Boa noite. Peraí.
There was someone, a professor, who had a question about Nietzsche. Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get you next.
Hello again, Dr. Peterson. First of all, thanks for still being here. I know you're very tired to answer complex questions from us. So this is Matthews again, professor of philosophy from Rio. I used to study Nietzsche and follow him towards his conclusions after the problem of nihilism. And your work made me realize he is wrong, because we're not able to create values metaphysically. However, I would then like to ask you, even though there is a metaphysical structure to reality, it could be the case that this structure is self-existing, and truth and morality are part of an ontological layer of an infinity reality, thus making the case for morality and atheism. Why then do you believe there has to be a theistic God as the one that appears in the Abrahamic traditions? It doesn't appear to be very plausible to me as an atheist, with all due respect and admiration for your work, which have helped me a lot in my personal life. Thank you.
Well, I think probably the right answer to that question is that's what this book is about. And, well, seriously, that is what it's about. And that is a good question, because it is implausible. So what you'll have to, and that's such a complex question that it took not just this book, which will be out in November, to answer, but the next book, which I've already mostly written. And so, and it's not a question that can really be answered in less time than that. And so you're going to have to wait till November 19th to get the answer. Yeah, it has something to do, just as a prodrome, it has something to do with the necessary centrality of sacrifice to the establishment of the community. There's something about that that's technically correct, but
Resurrection. You're Alex O'Connor talk.
you'll have to wait until the book, because there's no way of answering it in a simpler manner than that. So, all right, everybody. Very nice to meet you all. Thank you very much for coming tonight. It was a pleasure to be here.